In the vast world of nutritional supplements comes Clarisil PRO, a promise of hearing renewal presented by Robert Beiler. This innovative product, based on a formula inspired by Navajo remedies for hearing loss, aims to provide hearing restoration in a natural way, eliminating the need for medications, costly surgical procedures, or expensive hearing devices. Imagine yourself in a scenario where hearing loss is a dark road, and Clarisil PRO is the guiding light that promises to illuminate the path to hearing restoration. On this journey, Robert Beiler has unlocked ancient secrets of Navajo medicine, using them as the basis for creating a superfood formula that he says can transform the experience of hearing loss within weeks. The first piece of this hearing puzzle is the Navajo formula, an ancient secret that Beiler claims to have discovered and incorporated into Clarisil PRO. It's as if he has found an ancient map, indicating the right ingredients to unlock the body's natural potential to restore hearing. This formula is presented as a unique elixir capable of working in harmony with the body, without the side effects often associated with traditional medicines. By taking a daily Clarisil PRO capsule, Beiler proposes a revolutionary journey towards hearing restoration. Imagine this as planting a seed to reap the rewards of clear hearing. The process, according to the creator, is gentle, without the need for invasive interventions. It's like cultivating a sound garden inside your ears, where with each capsule, you nourish and strengthen your hearing health. The hearing restoration technique, presented as a cornerstone of Clarisil PRO, is like a talented craftsman molding a piece of raw clay into a masterpiece. Beiler highlights the importance of this innovative technique in eliminating blockages that impair hearing clarity. Visualize it as the magical tool that carves the statue of perfect hearing, removing obstacles and revealing sonic details that have been hidden. But how does this magical Navajo formula work? Beiler compares his discovery to cracking an ancient code. Imagine him as a hieroglyphic decipherer, revealing the secrets hidden in Navajo traditions and transforming them into modern medicine. The formula is like a magic potion that defies time, combining ancient wisdom with advances in contemporary science to create a unique auditory elixir. However, as with all epic journeys, there are challenges to be faced. Beiler warns about a mysterious neurotoxin that threatens hearing health. One can imagine this neurotoxin as a silent villain, infiltrating the ears and undermining the ability to hear. Clarisil PRO then acts like a fearless hero, facing this invisible adversary to protect and strengthen hearing. The supplement promises to not only restore hearing but also provide sound clarity. Here, the analogy would be cleaning a foggy window to clearly see the world outside. Clarisil PRO is like the cloth that removes the fog that obscures sounds, allowing the beauty of hearing to be appreciated in all its clarity. Throughout this narrative, it is important to emphasize that although Clarisil PRO's promise is fascinating, it should be approached with caution. Just like a search for the Holy Grail, the search for perfect hearing restoration can be full of challenges and uncertainty. Consulting a healthcare professional is like seeking the advice of a sage, someone who can guide you through this journey and offer valuable insights. In summary, Clarisil PRO is presented as a beacon of hope in the world of hearing loss. The Navajo formula, the hearing restoration technique, and the battle against the neurotoxin are the essential elements of this story. However, just like any epic tale, the journey is not without its challenges, and the quest for hearing restoration must be undertaken with due diligence and professional guidance. The path to sonic clarity can be intriguing, but it is essential to navigate it with discernment and caution. Product link in comments.